Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your doors automatically open when you walk through them, I guess. So to do that, you're just going to go to the build mode section, select build mode here, go to decorate. You will need some block bucks for this, but you'll have enough at the beginning of the game. Select search and decor and select sensor. Select either the door auto sensor or the auto sensor pro. I don't really know the difference, but you're just going to select it and you're going to add it. So when you go through that white circle or that area, you'll be able to see that it will automatically open and close. I actually don't know where to put it. I think I'm not going to put it anywhere because I don't really want to waste it. But yeah, that is it. So whenever you enter your house, your doors will automatically open. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!